Greetings everyone. In this video I'm going to explain you how you can crack Wi-Fi without using any application. All you need is just a CMD. Yes, and if you don't want to miss this interesting part of video, important part, just watch the video until the end. And before starting action, I want to remind you that you are a new watcher in my video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and we're going to start. So what we need for this, so what is that? I'm going to explain you step by step. The first of all, before starting action, I want to explain you what's going to happen to, when you know what will happen, you are educated and you know what's going to happen. So this is not working for every Wi-Fi. You can't just crack and find the password of every Wi-Fi. What does that mean? For example, you go into your friend's home and he giving you the one Wi-Fi password, and he don't tell it to you, all right? And you want to find this password. You say to yourself, "Oh, I just want to know this password." And what you need to do, and you say that, "Oh, this is no way," but you can't understand that actually this password is keeping inside of your computer, and this file is named NETSH. We will talk about this. I will show you in a practical method. When we will start practicing, I will tell you about this. So where I was in, all right, I'm talking about the Wi-Fi's. So all you need is CMD. Yeah, CMD. Pressing and open the CMD. All right, you can just change the color of CMD, do a lot of stuff here, but today I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to explain you. And the first of all, if you will just start to write just like VLAN, for example, show profile, you're not going to get anything. You will get that VLAN is not recognized as internal or external command operable program or batch file. So what to do then? You have to write here NETSH, which I talked a couple minutes ago. All right, I told you about the NETSH. So what is this folder? This folder keeps all Wi-Fi information in itself. So for example, all Wi-Fi information with which you connected is actually keeps in this folder. So you just press here. It just looks like a Python, all right? When we converted in the Py file to the exe file, I just done the same thing, but I wrote there cd equals, all right? But here you just write NETSH and press enter, and you are in this folder right now. So this is a folder where you can find a lot of information about Wi-Fi's and so on. So this is not actually for only hacking. So this is for example, you bought the Wi-Fi, you connected your computer with Wi-Fi, and some time is gone and you forgot your Wi-Fi password. So you can use this method to recover the Wi-Fi password and use it again. So we're gonna write here. What we have to do, we're gonna write here VLAN, all right, show profile, press enter. You will see here a lot of Wi-Fi's which you just connected. So currently I'm connected with Ikram with my Wi-Fi, and I was connected with this Wi-Fi ILHAN. So I'm not going to show this Wi-Fi password to the YouTube. I'm just going to show you that this is possible to do, all right? So to find this password, you have to write one show profile. The name of Wi-Fi, I recommend you to copy this and paste here. Even if you will make one mistake in one word, you're not gonna get a result. Alright guys, so you have to write here key equals clear. After pressing the enter, you will get all information here, and as you can see, this is a key of this Wi-Fi. So this is key content. It is your actually passwords, the Wi-Fi's password. So here you can find a lot of information about it. a lot of, and you can find the IP addresses, you can find the present, I don't know, a lot of things. So author, what here, authentication equals to the VPA personal, and so on, a lot of things. So you know what's gonna happen, I just showed you, but I'm gonna show you again what's gonna happen if you will just write without any TSH. That means you searching it in operation system of computer, but it doesn't keep, the Wi-Fi is not keeping in operation system, so thus you're not gonna get an answer. So you will write here launch show profile, and we're gonna press enter. As you can see, you have to open the file for it to, you know, you have to enter to this file, and you have to ask this file to show about only these Wi-Fi's password. All right, so guys, this was my little video about this, and I want to talk a little bit about the future videos. In the future, I'm gonna make a new, I just, you know, improved J.A.R.V.I.S, and I will make it more better, more intelligent, and it's gonna be better, and I think you will love this project. I'm gonna do a lot of projects for you. We just started, and I think that you will support me. I see the support. Thank you guys. We made it just 341 subscribers already. I'm really happy, and I will just continue to do these contents and a lot of things. And if you want me to teach you a lot about these Wi-Fi's, a lot of things, HTML, maybe Photoshop, and you can, all you need, just make sure that you subscribe and press the notification to get informed when I will upload a new video to the YouTube channel. And don't forget to write in comment down below about your mistakes. It can be the computer problem, it can be the program problem, it can be a lot of things. I'm always ready to answer to your question. So in the future, maybe I can make a vlog videos, a lot of things. It will depend on what you want from me. All right, and I want to talk about that. I have a great idea for the next time. Great idea. It's gonna be more better, and I think that you will love it. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish. Stay with Windows. I love you, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, guys.